I'm gonna tell you guys how I have hit rock bottom. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. And today, as you can see from the title, there is some news, but I will tell you guys that after the trading session, I am gonna give you guys a trade recap. The trading session is done and everything. I did everything. I just didn't want to record in the morning. I will tell you guys after why I didn't want to record, why I didn't feel like doing anything. After the trading session, I'm just giving you guys a trade recap. But listen, nothing's gonna stop us. We're gonna keep going. Let's just get right into the trade recap, and I'll be back to talk to you guys about basically the title of the video. This is the trade recap here. It is 4:50. Making the trade recap now because I didn't want to do it earlier. I'm gonna tell you guys after this trade recap. I'm gonna explain to you guys, why I haven't posted for the last couple days. I know I said I was gonna record every single day in April, but things happen, and I'm just gonna explain to you guys after this trade recap. So let's just get right into this trade recap. We are here coming into market open. 9:30 is right here, right? Around 9:30, we have this low that gets made on a 1 minute, and we see that another low gets made here. So that's equal lows. So automatically for me, that's what I want my target to be. At that point, around 10, where we are in this area. So my target of liquidity would be at these equal lows down here. So that's what I wanna target, and that's what I wanna go. So basically I'm bearish for the day. On the 1 hour and the 4 hour, I'm pretty sure we were consolidating. Yeah, we were in a bit of consolidation on the market. So the market was undecisive. Yes, in the 4 hour we are bullish. On the 1 hour we are also on a bullish trend, but you see this consolidation here, if you guys can see that big consolidation there. Anyway, as of that, I see these low time frame equal lows, so I want to target that, which is going to be a quick scalp, a quick trade. So we come in, we wait, sit on our hands till 10, like always. I'm pretty sure there was news. Let me see. Yeah, there was consumer sentiment at 10. So I wait till 10, sit on my hands, and we get this big reaction down, and then we get a big reaction up, and we leave a gap here, BPR here, a fair value gap here, and then we disrespect that fair value gap with another fair value gap that gets inputted. So I call that a BPR. So that gives me more confirmation that this gap, this area of imbalance wants to be filled, and I know that this is an area of liquidity because it's equal lows. So that's even more confirmation that we want to go down and take out those equal lows before we continue up like we did right here, right? So what I did was took out these equal lows, came down, got into the market a little bit early. I didn't get in here because that's would have been the usual entry, but I got in here because I seen this reaction, beautiful reaction off this BPR, this fair value gap. You see 2 weeks out of it, so I was like, perfect, let me get in, let me target these lows. This was a pretty long trade, but it hit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. 6 minutes of trading, it hit like this because the market is really volatile because of who. Continuing on that, obviously we hit the equal lows, and after that, as soon as we hit those equal lows, look, we come back up, then we came back to retest those lows, and straight up movement from the from the Nasdaq, straight up movement from there. All right, to talk about more of the title, just want to come on here. I don't want nobody feeling bad for me. I don't want nobody, I'm not asking you guys to start a GoFundMe from anything, but listen, I'm gonna tell you guys how I have hit rock bottom. Basically, simply, it is what it is. I got fired from my job. So there's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. I got fired. I ended up getting fired because of, I don't want to say production, basically performance issues. The new employee was outperforming me. I guess, Daniel, if you're watching this, I know you have to do it. It's fine. Don't worry about it. But it is what it is. Right now I'm at a rock bottom. I have no job. Obviously still day trading, but I am still on demo. I had to pay some things, so I had to take care of some things. So right now money is a little tight. there is no excuse for me not to keep going. So just gotta keep rocking on this demo until I can get another job. And yeah, maybe I had to get out that job, because honestly, if it wasn't for me getting fired, I don't think I was gonna leave that job. I was really comfortable. But this really, I'm really not freaking out. I'm not going crazy, but this really does open my eyes to, I need to get focused on the social media thing, because this is the way out. Obviously, for a lot of people, it's been a way out. I need to start posting on TikTok. I need to start posting on Instagram Reels. I need to start doing all the other things that I've been putting off lately. And maybe this is just a wake-up call. Hey, get up, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. We're gonna keep going the social media grind, but let's just get right into our day. It is currently 5 p.m. right now. They don't want to record earlier. They didn't want to do anything. They don't want to do nothing because, you know, obviously I'm bummed out for that job. You know, it was a pretty good job. I've been there for a year and everything. Obviously, everybody's gonna be a little bummed out, and that's just annoying because, you know, the job market now, you can apply to any other job and they will not give you the job. They'll just send you an email saying thank you for applying and wave you off. Just because we got a little bit of a setback doesn't mean we're gonna fall off completely. I am gonna go head to the store, get some Chipotle. I'll pick up the camera in a little bit, and after that, my boy's gonna come over and we're gonna but we're gonna look into working on a business. So a business could be coming soon, guys. Stay tuned. There's a lot of things that I need to just do and not procrastinate about everything, and just do it. So we're gonna come over, he's gonna come over, we're gonna start up, we're gonna see what can we do to start a business, what can we do to start a different journey. And my friend, obviously, I've been with it, like, not with him, what the hell, I'm not gay. I've been with him for a long time, and I obviously trust him enough to be my business partner. He's one of my best friends, so he could be popping onto the videos soon. Maybe another YouTube channel could be made with this as well. So there's just a lot of opportunity. Let's just get right into, I don't want to talk about it, let's just get right into the video. It's probably not gonna be, I don't even know what's gonna be the next clip, but it's just raw and unedited footage. So at Chipotle, here's a hack for you guys. Ask for a water cup and then just get whatever you want, of course, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we got the Chipotle. I'm about to dog this real quick and head home. All right, so it is Sunday. It is 2 days after that clip. It is a beautiful day outside, actually. It's a really beautiful day outside. My mom and my uncle ended up going to PR, so I am going to be using this beautiful car because that beautiful car over there needs an oil change. I got the oil down here. I need to go buy the filter now, but I am going to go vacuum up his car because his car's a mess. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to clean it up for him. When he comes back, you know, be nice and shiny and whatever. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead in the shower right now. I'm going to go freshen up real quick and then just go ahead and vacuum that car. It is currently later in the day. It is around 9 p.m. right now. I got a little bit of cereal that I'm eating right now, and we are editing this video. This video is not going to be too long because I'm not unemployed no more. I ended up getting a job working in construction, so tomorrow I start. You know, it was a quick transition from unemployed to being employed, which is perfect. And I love the fact that I got employed. I got on the horse and I'm already, I'm good to go. But I'm gonna go to sleep right now because tomorrow I gotta wake up at around 7 a.m. to get there at 8 a.m. So I'm gonna go ahead, keep editing this video, do it quick. May not be posted tomorrow, may not record. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I might not be recording for the whole month. Honestly, maybe Wednesday and Thursday you guys can get a vlog, but Monday, Tuesday, definitely not. So we'll see what happens. I'll see what I can do because I can't trade and work at the same time and record at the same time. I can't do all those things at once. So, but if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.